Welcome to Mastering Video Editing with YouTube Create. This masterclass is a step-by-step course designed to help digital content creators edit, optimize, and publish high-impact shorts and long-form videos entirely from their smartphones. We begin with Module 1, covering the fundamentals of mobile video. Before diving into the software, we'll explore core mobile-first storytelling principles, thumb-stopping pacing, and timeline framing dynamics. The three pillars of mobile storytelling are thumb-stopping visual framing, rapid timeline pacing, and clear multi-channel audio. These pillars ensure maximum engagement and retention in mobile formats. Module 2 introduces YouTube Create, Google's free, state-of-the-art mobile application. It's engineered to maximize processing performance, bypass desktop rendering slowdowns, and sync directly with the YouTube Studio backend. The app features an intuitive multi-layer timeline UI for single-thumb precision editing. You can import up to 4K RAW videos and use a non-destructive pipeline for precise actions without distortion or lag. Essential editing tools include precision split and trim to remove silences and unwanted motions, speed control sliders for acceleration and ultra-smooth slow motion, and artistic transitions with over 40 modern effects to connect scenes. Module 3 covers the pre-licensed audio sync engine. This includes a copyright-cleared library of royalty-free music from the YouTube audio library. It also features vocal voiceover and dynamic SFX capabilities for recording crisp audio commentaries and adding tactical cinematic hits. YouTube Create offers AI-powered automatic captions with 100% AI transcription speed. The automatic voice-to-text setup allows transcription of spoken dialogue into readable overlay captions with custom styles and animations. In Module 4, we explore Instant Subject AI Cutout. This feature bypasses physical green screens by using an on-device machine learning algorithm to cleanly remove background shapes automatically. This is ideal for commentary and dynamic layout placement. Pro creator hacks include AI audio cleanup to instantly denoise background hums and wind distortions. The Beat Matching Helper syncs your timelines to rhythmic audio peaks. Asset sticker packs provide hundreds of integrated stickers, GIFs, and dynamic titles. Here is the complete video production flow. First, organize your clips and structure the framing. Second, sculpt your video by trimming gaps and optimizing pace. Third, design by adding soundtracks, subtitles, and effects. Finally, deploy by exporting in 1080p and posting directly to your channel. YouTube Create offers significant advantages in pricing, music licensing, AI capabilities, and workflow compared to standard mobile apps and pro desktop software. It's 100% free with no watermarks and features direct YouTube channel upload. The data shows a massive gain in editing efficiency. By using YouTube Create's integrated features, you can cut video assembly time down to a fraction of traditional timelines, reducing the average edit time significantly. Your viewer community is waiting. Open YouTube Create and sculpt your story. Start creating today.